Hello friends, welcome to my live stream. Today I'm going to be taking you on a motorcycle and walk tour of the starting point of Adams Bridge in Mannar Island, Sri Lanka. My friends, I'm going to start my journey from Thaleimannar Pier. Let's start our journey. Now the time is around 5 p.m. Actually, this is a pre-recorded stream. I have tried to live stream on 22nd July 2022, which was unsuccessful due to poor network coverage of the area. During this journey, I will show you the important locations of the road path. Now we are passing the Thaleimannar Pier railway station. This is the petrol shed. Valukarama Temple, Thaleimannar Pier. This is the Hindu temple of Thaleimannar Pier. This is the police station as well as the post office. Take a sharp right turn from here to Urumali Road. Now we are passing Thaleimannar village area. If you visit this Adams Bridge, you can see the Palmyra bushes on the way. Tank of Thaleimannar Pier village. This is Padappadi area. Once you come here, you can buy Palmyra products nearby this area. Most of the people in this area rely on the fishing as well as Palmyra products. St. Lawrence College, Thaleimannar West. This seems to be a newly constructed hotel. Once you pass this playground, take a sharp left turn from here. During our journey, we will see the Adams Tomb also. My friends, if you follow this road, you can see both the Adams Tomb as well as Adams Bridge starting point. Within around 500 meters, we will reach to the Adams Tomb. Actually, it's Adams and Eve's tomb. Once we arrive at the Adams tomb, we will park our motorcycle and walk to the tomb. You also can park your vehicle over here safely. Now we have reached to the entrance of the tomb of Adams and Eve's, which is the Muslims' sacred place located in Mannar Island. Don't worry about the gate, it's always open. remove your shoes before entering, as it is a sacred place for Muslims. The tomb of Adam and Eve is also known as Kappa Oli Dargah. It is believed by some to be the buried place of the Adam and Eve. The tomb is made up of two long rectangular structures that are about 13 meters long and 1.2 meters wide. The structures are made of brick and mortar, and they are covered in green cloth. The structures are located in a small garden and they are surrounded by trees. The tomb is popular pilgrimage site for Muslims from all over the world. Visitors to the tomb can pray and make offerings. The tomb is also a popular tourist destination, and visitors can learn about the history and legends of the tomb. My friends, you all are also welcome to this sacred place of Muslims. It's open for all, disregard to your religion, race or gender, but with respect. My friends, there is nothing much to brief at Adam and Eve's tomb. Now let's move to the Adam's Bridge. Let's move by bike, just a couple of 100 meters away from the Adams and Eve's tomb. You have to park your vehicle. It's a quite adventurous path. You can move much closer to the Adams Bridge by a motorbike, but if you come here by a car or quite big vehicle, you have to park your car over here. Since we come here by a motorbike, we just keep moving much closer to the Adams Bridge. But be careful, the path is quite adventurous. This is the Hotel Vayu. Once you pass the Hotel Vayu, you are at the location Adams Bridge starting point. It's a nice view to see that sand also flying. It's something like a desert in Sahara. Now we have reached to the Adams Bridge starting point. Let me tell you a few things about Adams Bridge. Adams Bridge is also known as Rama Setu, which means Rama's Bridge in Sanskrit. It is a chain of limestone shoals and sandbanks that stretch across the Pork Strait. The bridge is said to have been built by the Hindu god Rama, who used it to cross the strait to rescue his wife Sita from the demon king Ravana. Adam's Ridge is also a sacred place to Muslims who believe that Adam, the first man, stood on it after being expelled from Eden. As we walk, we will see the limestone shoals and sandbanks that make up the bridge. We also learn about the history and legends of Adam's Ridge. My friends, now I am going to narrate some technical details of Adam's Ridge extracted from the internet. Adam's Ridge is located in Gulf of Mannar, which is shallow sea between India and Sri Lanka. The closest major cities are Rameswaram and the Thaleimannar of both India and Sri Lanka. When we talk about length, Adam's Ridge is a chain of limestone shoal and sandbanks that stretch for about 30 kilometers across the Fork Strait. Adam's Ridge is made up of about thousands of sand dunes, and maximum width of the bridge is at widest point is 1.5 kilometers. The bridge is now mostly submerged, but the shallowest path are only about 1 meter deep at low tide. Adam's Bridge is believed to have been formed by the deposition of sand and sediments over millions of years. Geological formation. Adam's Bridge is a natural formation, but it is also considered a sacred place by Hindus and Muslims. I have to say something about your safety if you visit over here. There are some safety concerns associated with visiting Adam's Bridge, including potential for crocodiles and other wildlife, the risk of getting lost, and the possibility of injury from walking on the submerged sand dunes. My friends, I hope you enjoy this motorcycle and walk tour of the starting point of Adam's Bridge. It's a great way to see this natural wonder and learn about this history and legends. Thank you for watching my pre-recorded live stream video. Thanks once again. Good day for all.